Welcome to our quick guide on how to mention everyone in a group chat on Messenger. If you've ever needed to ping all members at once, this streamlined method will save you time and keep conversations organized. First, open the Messenger app and navigate to the group chat you want to reach. Once you're inside, look for the space where you type your message. This is your command center for getting everyone's attention. Next, start your message by typing the @ symbol followed by the word everyone. As you type, Messenger will bring up a list of suggestions. The key is to select the everyone option from those suggestions so that the mention is recognized by the app and tagged for all members. After you've selected everyone, you'll see the mention appear in your message input area. This visual cue confirms that the group will be notified when you send it. You can then continue with your message, adding any context, details, or instructions that are relevant to the group. When you're ready, press send. The notification associated with the everyone mention will alert all members in the chat, ensuring no one misses important information. If you're coordinating a quick update or a time-sensitive reminder, this is a reliable way to make sure your message gets the necessary attention. A couple of practical tips to optimize the process. Use the mention for time-sensitive updates or decisions that require input from the entire group. Pair the mention with a clear call to action, such as a deadline or specific task. If you don't want to ping everyone, you can mention specific individuals by typing @ and selecting their names from the list. Remember, a well-placed mention can reduce back and forth and keep everyone on the same page. If you're managing a busy group, this feature is your friend for streamlined communication. And that's all there is to it. Open the chat, type @ everyone, choose everyone from the suggestions, and send. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who might benefit from a faster way to reach their group.